Hello, good afternoon. This is Ungraced. This is a short video guide on how to make deposits on Pandabit. You tap on this menu icon and then you tap on New Investment. You select New Investment. Now, when the page opens, you see different packages available, right? So you scroll through which of the packages do you want. If you want to go for fast trade, which lasts for 5 days. Take note, 5 days, and the minimum amount to invest on fast trade is $20, between $20 to $100. Then you are going to select invest now. You tap on invest now if you're going for fast trade. If you want to go for the gamma quant, which has a minimum of $25 and maximum of $200 investment capital, and the duration is 15 days. Then under Gamma Quant, you tap on Invest Now. Same thing applies to every other package. So you click on Invest Now under any of the packages you will wishes to go for. So let's use Fast Trade as an example. I tap on Invest Now and then the page loads. So once the page loads, you will see information about fast trade. Minimum investment is $20 to $100. Daily profit is 2.3%. You glance through all the data on the fast trade package. That's the package you're going for. Then here is where you're going to input how much you want to invest. You want to invest $100. You're going to edit this 20 to $100. If you want to invest 200, edit and input the amount you want to invest it. So I'm going to tap on it. I'll remove the 20 and I input 100. All right. I input 100, meaning I want to go for $100. All right. Now, as soon as I imputed $100, the system showed me my total earnings is going to be what? $111.95 within a period of 5 days. So once you input 100, you tap on Invest Now. As you click on Invest Now, an address will be given to you to go and make payments to transfer USDT on the TRC20 network. Take note, you're not transferring on the BEP20 or the BEP2 network or ERC20, you're transferring on the TRC20 network. Please don't send on the wrong blockchain, else you will lose your money. This is blockchain transaction. So you transfer the $100 on the TRC20 network to the wallet address you'll be given. Once you tap on this Invest Now, a wallet address will be given to you. So you go and make payments, transfer the $100 there, and then it will reflect on your back office. That's all. So all you need to do once you make payments, you come and refresh, and your investment is successful. I believe this is clear. Signing out and Grace. Thank you.